take a close look at one example, ultrasound imaging system. Because when doctors can see more clearly, they can care more confidently. Every clear image leads to faster decisions and better outcome. And for millions of women around the world, ultrasound helps monitor every stage of pregnancy. It supports better care, safe births, and a healthy future for every generation to come. They may look compact, but they are packed with critical components. The handle needs to be strong, but still smooth and easy to move. The monitor arm must hold the screen steady, yet adjust freely. The base frame supports the entire system. It has to be solid, stable, and roll smoothly across the room. Even the transducer holder and the gel warmer housing play an important role. They need to fit precisely with a clean surface and a strong finish. These are not just covers, they are real working parts of the device. And when they fail, it's not just a product issue, it's a user experience problem. That's why Sunrise take every detail seriously. So what can go wrong? If the handle isn't strong enough, it cracks. If the arm doesn't lock properly, the screen shakes. If the base warps even slightly, the whole system warps during use. That's a serious issue, especially during live patient scans. These things may look small, but to a doctor or nurse, they're not. Consistency matters in look, in feel, in performance. Because in the medical care, the machine must never distract from the mission. When ultrasound systems are built for care, every part has to fit reliably. That's where Sunrise comes in. Contact Sunrise to explore your next build.